Here's a pair of the Soundcore P20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these. You want to factory reset these if you have issues where it keeps disconnecting, or you have issues putting into pairing mode, or you can't connect, one side's not working, it's out of lip sync, and so on. Okay, anyway, the factory reset is very simple here. So I'm going to factory reset these, and then I'm going to pair it back to this phone here. Okay, so I'm currently paired to this phone here. Okay, so let me just go into my settings here. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. This is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, by the way. I'm going to go to Bluetooth, and you can see it is currently paired there. Okay, so now let's go and factory reset these. Okay, let me just go ahead and take these out. All you got to do is take these out, and then you have to tap where the P is there, letter P. You want to press and hold for 10 seconds, okay? I'm going to put mine in my ear, and I'm going to hold it for 10 seconds. Ready, set, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's like dun, 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 dun. When you hear that, the factory reset is complete, and now it is in pairing mode, okay? So it's done now. So if I want to connect back to the same phone here, it's in pairing mode already. It's not going to show up under available devices because I was already paired to this before. So I have to click on the settings and I have to delete it out of here, all right? Unpair on Android phones. It'd be like forget this device on iPhones. Now, let me just scan here again. Now it should show up down here under available devices. And so now I can connect back to the same phone if I wish. And I get a pairing request, of course, for Android phones. And we'll connect it back.